Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's review, I'm looking at 1 Hour Workday, available from the Warrior Plus platform created by Mosh Bari. Keep watching through till the end of the video to be able to make an informed decision before buying this product. I will give you a short overview of the sales page. Then I will take you inside the members area and show you what the product's supposed to do when you buy it. Then I will talk about the 6 upgrades or OTOs as they call it. And lastly, I will give you a short summary with my honest opinion based on my own experience as an online marketer. I will explain why this might not be a desirable product for you to buy. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. If you, a complete beginner looking to create your own online business, click the link below to follow a proven strategy that works. If you find this content helpful, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Feel free to share these videos with any of your friends. So what is 1 Hour Workday? This is an application that allows you to convert your video content into text, and then you can use this to create blog posts. This application is supposed to save you time when making blog posts. I'm not sure if this will be legitimate if you start taking information from other YouTube videos and claim it to be yours. You will have to be very careful in this case, as YouTube can close your channel if this application is not legitimate. Here we are in the sales page. The first sentence in the sales page already gives me a little hint that this is very misleading and cannot be true. If you look at the first page, it says, are you looking for traffic and sales at the push of a button and a 7-figure entrepreneur to guide you to make $5,000 a month? Intelligent push button apps get you unique, fresh and viral content from several viral content sources, driving your traffic and sales every day on complete autopilot. 15 top marketers share how they would earn $5,000 per month income if they just had 1 hour per day to create a real online business. It's not as easy as it sounds. 1 hour per day sounds very nice. As a newbie, it's not true. As a newbie, you have to work hard. You have to put everything in place. But as a newbie, don't believe this. It's never true. You're still new, you like what you see, it looks good, and they touch all the pain points. Every online marketer needs this. It's not true. You don't need this. There's better products that you can use. This is a sales page, and they want you to click the button. There's a little video.
Do you know the one thing that everyone...
And of course, the video is also very emotionally, and it also touched the right areas. By now, you know. Be careful when you read the sales page. There's a lot of nice words, lots of things here that will make you want to buy this. Things that can do with extra 5K a month. It won't happen overnight. You can't just do it so fast. Here is Brendan Mays and Ankur Shukla, and of course, Mosh Bari himself. 15 online entrepreneurs combined make over 10 million per year with internet marketing. And here are all 15 of them. I made a little Excel sheet to show you what I think of this. Newbies, be careful. These guys have gone from newbie through all the challenges, and they did what we still busy doing. So be careful. What would you do? All the nice things. You will have vacation, you will sit back, you will relax. Doesn't work this way. 1 hour workday. This don't happen. You first have to set up your business, make sure everything is in place, and then it might happen. This is for you. Anybody can sign up. This is true. Watch the sneak peek. There's a video showing you what this program is going to do. Inside, you will see the steps, how much time, delegate, shortcuts, everything in just an hour. If this was true, why are we all not rich, working 1 hour per day? I'm working lots of hours per day, and I'm still not making my 5,000 a month. My biggest challenge always is the guarantee. There's a 90-day money-back guarantee, which I can promise you will not get. From experience and seeing reviews of other marketers who never got their money back, I want to save you spending your money on a low-quality product like this. If you want to understand a little bit more, there's frequently asked questions. Go through the questions and see if this can answer your questions you have. Now we will go into the members area. So let's check out if this product is really going to deliver what we need. There's two areas in the members pages. There's two pages. This is the first page and this is Mosh Bari. Here we have all the videos, the access to the one-week software, the tasks and get help. Now let's look at help. There you have your questions and answers. Well, this I showed you on the first page, and there's a little video. But let's go further. Mosh Bari, it should be help desk with a little spelling mistake. So let's wait and see. This is what I received. Since I'm trying to get into the help desk, every time this is what I'm getting to. You never reach help desk, you never reach customer service. 90-day money back guarantee, you can't even talk to anybody that will listen to you. Short videos, Udemy method, and here is the top 15 online entrepreneurs. They all give you a short video of what they do and their method, arbitrage method. And here, build, scale and flip from Tom. Neil, shortcut to millions. And so we can go on and on. Art Flair, he's the freelancing person, telling you what he does with freelancing. But just reading through this and listening to the short video of 3 minutes will definitely not give you what you need. Rush, he's the master of traffic method. Ankur, the smart empire, and here he say what is his tasks for the day and how he's spending his 1 hour. Cyril Jeet, passion and wealth. This is now the product with the dashboard. So we had the videos and we had everybody's little video and the demo video on the first page. Now the 15-minute internet marketers have all their videos also there. I don't think that will be helpful for you. So now that we in the second page, which is the software of this product, here we have different options what we can use. The dashboard has different tools. The main thing why you will buy this product is because of this, because of the content that you can change into text and you can use it in your blog setup. So here is the blog setup and you can decide how you want to set up the blogs. We have a profile. So here we can put a name, you can put your email address, phone number, then we have settings, help desk, and here is help again. Let's see if it's working from this side of the page. Still the same, even from this page. We just see if we set up the campaign. There's already a campaign. This is already tested. and they already played around, and there's a lot of campaigns. So you can do the different things. You have actions, you can view the campaign if we want to see what happens. Is it opening? Okay, this is just the description. Go back to campaign, and you can edit your campaign if you change your mind, or you can delete even their campaign. You can also add any job to the campaign, and this is how you can structure your work for the day and your campaign and what you want to do. So you can set up what you be done in your application. So you can automate this. The main thing of this app is the content app that they say can extract and convert your video content into text, and then you can use this to create blog posts. This application is supposed to save you time when making blog posts. So let's look. Here they already downloaded some content for us. Content marketing is changing. 6 tips for better sleep. ClickFunnels, what it's all about. Let's view. Here is the content about ClickFunnels. Now, if I look at this content, I went through this already. There's a lot of spelling mistakes. Also the layout and the grammar needs attention. So you can't really just produce this from a video and just put it in as a blog. You will also have to put your own little twist with it to be part of what you do. And I am also cautious that this is not legal. If I take someone else's video and take the script from the video, I cannot post it as a blog post and pretend it's my information. I want the basic product for $12.79. I don't want to buy all the additionals. Now, being in this market and exploring different products and apps, I know what to look for before I buy a product. And that's why I'm making this review, to help you not to give out your money. I do not always believe the sales page and the money income statements and whatever they show, as the sales page is made for you to. The 15 entrepreneurs will support you. I don't think they will support you for free. By this time, when they are already in this high level, you will pay for their support. And the 3-minute to 6-minute or 4-minute videos will just tell you something very simple, and on your own, you will never make it. So I don't believe this entrepreneurs to support you. It's just another shiny object. And once you start using it, you will see half the stuff is not working. This is just another product of Mosh Bari. Low quality, no value, as it's not fully functional. It's not working. The main action of this software is not even working. How long will it last? It's also questionable, as we don't know when Mosh Bari will put out his next product, and maybe this will be off the market. Advice to you would be to take your time and do your research and look at the feedback from other users before you even think of buying this product. You should know to make and do your own research thoroughly before you buy any of these products. So looking at the 15 internet marketers with Mosh Bari, I don't think in 3 minutes you will get the answers that you need. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. I give you advice, training and reviews just like these to create and grow your online business. So I hope you learned from my review. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss out on my next video. So if you want to start an online business, click the link below and follow my suggested proven strategy to create your own successful online business. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again in my next video on the other side of the screen.